The average audio quality has been one of the biggest complaints about the GoPro for years. This is partly due to the fact that the camera is waterproof up to 10 meters without additional case. This year, however, GoPro has made a few major changes to the body. Among other things, they added a new water drain for the side microphone to drain water faster. This is supposed to improve the audio quality after shooting underwater. In this video, I will compare the audio quality of the GoPro Hero9 with the audio quality of the Hero8. From now on, the sound in this video will therefore come from the GoPro, alternating between the Hero9 and the Hero8. For current prices and offers for the GoPro Hero9, I've put some links in the video description. Basically, you can also connect another external microphone to the GoPro. But for this, you need a new media mod for the Hero9, which you have to buy separately. In addition to this video, there will also be further tests regarding the image quality, the image stabilization and the photo quality of the new GoPro. And in case you're new here, my name is Werner, I live in the Italian Alps, and this channel is about filmmaking tutorials, GoPro and other consumer cameras. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're interested in these topics. With a GoPro, the audio quality outdoors is actually much more important than the audio quality indoors. I think we will all use the GoPro mostly outdoors. With a GoPro, the audio quality outdoors is actually much more important than the audio quality indoors. I think we will all use the GoPro mostly outdoors. And the sound of the voice outdoors can be quite different from the sound in an office. Now let's listen to a few more sounds. Finally, I'm going to test how the GoPro handles wind noise.
Let's see if we can hear the effect of the new water drain.
A few personal thoughts on this comparison. Basically, the Hero9 and the Hero8 sound very similar. Especially in the recordings of the voice, I could hardly notice any differences. However, with the recordings of the different sounds, you could hear that the sound of the Hero9 has a bit more bass. This makes the Hero9 sound a bit richer. However, wind noise might be a bit more noticeable, and the water drain actually seems to work. What you couldn't hear in this video is that the Hero9 was ready to be used again relatively quickly, while the Hero8 still produced a muffled sound minutes later. What do you think? Could you hear a difference? Just write your opinion in the comments. And with this I would like to say goodbye for today. If the video was interesting for you, give me a like as feedback, and see you next time.